So this is 18 watts Philips CFL compact fluorescent lamp. It's died because it didn't work anymore. So I'm going to I'm going to cremate it now. I'm going to blow it up now in the microwave. Well, here it starts, or a little bit so. Well, it starts here. I put it here in the microwave, and done. And okay, and see what happens. So it lights up. It lights up. Now it gives light. It issues light, and it's smoking now. Lots of light. Smoking on the side. It's smelling. It smells. Ooh, it is now. Yeah, now it's finished. It's smoking now. Lots of smoke. And stench. Oh, it stinks. Oh. Oh, it stinks. Oh. Oh. It doesn't catch fire. That's very strange. Normally this flammable gases. This doesn't catch fire yet. I put on a gas mask because it is a very bad smell here. Now I could do it better in a few minutes, but I know I do it in the shed. Smoking and smoking again. Yes, now it catches flame. Oh! It is not good, this I go outside. Okay. This is really going to bed outside. Oh, this is really bad. Bring it outside, okay. Okay, that was an energy saving light bulb at CFL. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that is a corpse of a CFL. Thank you for watching.